Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to create a consent form. Consent form guarantees that patients are thoroughly informed and willingly consent to medical procedures or treatments. This protects patient rights, promotes clear communication, and serves as legal documentation, offering protection for both patients and healthcare providers. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. Click on the settings icon, then navigate to the Entity Settings tab. Next, click on the Workflow Event Templates panel to expand. Click on the Choose Event drop-down menu and select the Consent Form option from the list. Now, click on the Add Template button. The Consent Form Workflow Event screen will open. First, click on the Template Description field and enter the name you desire for the new consent form we will be creating. Placeholders offer you the functionality to autocomplete and populate a data or medical information that is directly sourced from your system. We will be utilizing this feature in just a bit. To learn more regarding placeholders, please refer to the Workflow Event Placeholders User Manual, linked in this video's description. Next, click on the Workflow Event class drop-down menu and select your desired option from the list. The clinical consent form is utilized to get consent from the patient regarding clinical related events, for example, getting consent for a procedure, whereas the admin consent form is utilized to get consent from the patient regarding administrative events, such as giving the practice consent to use the patient's information for marketing purposes. Moving forward, click on the consent form panel to expand. Click on the consent text body field and start creating your consent form. To start utilizing the placeholders feature, click on the placeholders drop-down menu and select your desired options, which will be automatically added to this form. You can also add additional documentation to this form by clicking on the Choose File button. Once satisfied with this form, click on the Save button. The newly created consent form will now display on the screen and is also highlighted in red. Lastly, click on the Save button once more to successfully save all the updates and changes made.